everyone. Now have a look on illustration number 54. There are three partners, Mona, Nisha and Priyanka. They contributed rupees 50,000 each as a capital 3 years ago. 3 years ago they have started their business and each partner have invested 50,000. At that time Priyanka agreed to look after the business as Mona and Nisha were busy. So Priyanka was the active partner and Mona and Nisha were non-active partners. The profits for the past 3 years were 15,000, 25,000 and 50,000 respectively. While going through the books of accounts, Mona noticed that the profit had been distributed in the ratio 1:2. Means the profit of 3 years we have distributed in the ratio 1:2. When she inquired from Priyanka about this, Priyanka answered that since she looked after the business, she should get more profit. She said, I should get more profit because I have worked more. Priyanka answered she should get more profit. Mona disagreed and it was decided to distribute them equally, respectively for the 3 years. Means they were not having any prescribed profit sharing ratio. Earlier, if they were not having any profit sharing ratio, so as per the rules, the profit should be divided equally. But it was divided in this ratio and now we have to divide it equally to all the three partners. You are required to make necessary journal entry, correction of journal entry and identify the values are not deleted from the syllabus. This was the question which came in CBSE 2013 exam. So in this ratio we will take all the profits back, means we will debit, and in equal ratio we will credit. First of all we have to sum up the profits. 15 plus 25, 40 plus 50, 90,000. 90,000 we will take back in this ratio and now we will distribute equally. So we have to prepare profit and loss adjustment table. First of all, here we will write profit already credited, means profit to be taken back in 1:2. It will be debited. It will be debited from the partner's capital account. Profit to be taken back in the ratio 1:2. The total profit was 90,000. The total profit was 90,000 and it should be divided in 1:2. That means 22,500, 22,500 and 45,000. This was to be taken back because it was distributed wrongly. Now we have to distribute this 90,000 in equal proportion. It will be credited. It will be credited among the partners in equal proportion, 1:1. That means 30,000, 30,000 and 30,000. Now we will look whose debit is more and whose credit is more. Here debit is 22,500, credit is 30,000, means here credit is more by 7,500. Here also credit is more, 7,500. Here debit is bigger with 15,000. So we will pass journal entry. Priyanka will be debited and Mona and Nisha will be credited. Priyanka's capital account will be debited by 15,000 to Mona's capital account 7,500 and to Nisha's capital account 7,500. Profit distributed in wrong ratio now rectified. Rectification of wrong profit distributed. So this was the question. We have distributed the profits in the ratio 1:2. We will take it back. We will debit it. Now we have to distribute the profit in the ratio 1-1-1, 30-30-30. So we will see whose credit will be more, will be credited in the entry, and whose debit will be more, will be debited in the entry. So we have to take back 15,000 from Priyanka and have to give 75 and 7,500 to Mona and Nisha both. Now look at illustration number 55. This is also alike. X, Y, Z are three partners with ratio 2-1 respectively. Z wants that he should be given equal share in the profits with X and Y. The previous ratio was 2-1. Now Z wants that he should get equal share. And he further wants that the change in profit sharing ratio should come into effect retrospectively for the last 3 years. Means the profit of last 3 years should be distributed equally. So X and Y have no objection to this. This line is very important. If they both are not having any objection, then the question will be solved. Means we have to take all the profits back in the ratio 2-1 and have to distribute them equally again. This is ditto same question. First of all, do the total. You have done the total of profits. This will be debited in the ratio 2-1. This will be debited in the ratio 2-1, means 59,124, 59,124 and 29,562. It should be, the total of this should be divided equally among the partners. Equally dividing means divided by 3. 49,270, 49,270, 49,270. Debit is more or credit is more? Debit is more. Here also debit is more. Here credit is more. So X and Y will be debited, Z will be credited. Same question, if we have distributed in some wrong ratio, we will debit the profits. We will take back the profits in this ratio. Total profits of 3 years we will debit in this ratio. And now we will distribute it again in equal ratio. Means total of all the profits will be divided by 3 and it will be given equally to all the partners. Now we will see debit is more or credit is more. Thank you.